Hello and welcome to Davison Geography Department. It's so lovely to be able to make this video for you and introduce you to what it's going to be like to study geography at Davison. But before I tell you more about the subject and the kinds of things you'll be learning, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Miss Hawker and I am the subject leader of geography. I love teaching geography, but my favourite topic to teach is coasts, so anything to do with the sea, and coastal processes and how we protect the coast. And I think that's just because I really love being on the beach and by the sea, and I find all the processes there really, really interesting. Let's hear from the other geography teachers.
Hello Year 7, my name's Miss Laxton and I'm one of the teachers of geography here at Davison. I love learning about all the different places around the world like China, India, Russia and Nigeria. Over to you.
My name is Mr. Clayton. I'm one of the geography teachers here, and one of the things I love about teaching geography is about teaching about rivers and coasts. We live by the sea, so it's fascinating. Over to you, Miss.
Hi, my name's Miss Gearing. I am one of the geography teachers but also a PE teacher here at Davison. Looking forward to meeting you in September. My favourite topic to teach in geography is tectonics and rivers. See you in September.
Hello, my name is Mr. McDonald Bowyer, and I'm a geography teacher, and it's a map of Australia there because that's one of the most amazing places that I was lucky enough to visit a few years ago, and it's one of my favourite areas of geography, Australia. All of the ecology along the Queensland coast and the Great Barrier Reef, really, really beautiful. I'm here in my office. I'm also a deputy head teacher at Davison, so you'll see me around in other situations and in other guises, but welcome to geography.
Brilliant. So you will have one of those 5 teachers when you start at Davison in September. So now let me tell you a little bit more about what it's like to study geography at Davison. So geography is a massive subject, which is great because it means we get to study loads of different things. And geography is basically about natural or physical things and human things. It's about the processes, so how they change, and also about places. So the kinds of things that we study in geography, we study natural processes like rivers, coasts, volcanoes, earthquakes, hurricanes, all of that comes under kind of natural processes that we might study. We study human processes as well, like why people move from one place to another, why populations grow and change, how cities grow and change. And we also learn about how the two interact. So we learn a lot about things like climate change, sustainability, how we can protect our planet and look after it better. As well as that, we love learning about places. You can see the map behind me, and we do love looking at maps, engaging with different places around the world. Every year we do a country study where we get to grips with a country in a lot more depth, learn about its culture, learn about its climate, its people, and different processes that are happening in that particular place. And the other thing that we get to do in geography, which we absolutely love, is we get to go see these things happening in the real world. So we don't just learn about them in the classroom, we try to get out and see and experience them happening in the real world as well. So for example, in every year we go out and do some field work on the school site to help us practice what it's like to investigate things in real life. And also we do lots of field trips during your time at Davison. In geography, you'll do lots of different trips out to see the things that we're learning about in class happen in real life. So that's a little bit about what it's like to study geography at Davison. We love it and we can't wait to welcome you in September.